Hello friends, I'm Prachi and today I'm going to talk about and do EFT on boosting the sales. How many people out there who are really stressed about the business, the sales is not happening, the clients are not coming and you're really stressed about that. So let's do EFT and release out all the blocks that are not allowing you to attract more customers in your business and to increase your sales. So let's start with the hand point. As you all know, in my channel we have acupuncture points and through that we tap and we do EFT. So let's tap from the first point, that is hand point. Even though you can tap along with me, whatever I'm saying you can just repeat after me. Even though I'm not getting enough sales, I'm really worried about it and I'm really frustrated about it. I'm not getting the customers that I want. Even though I'm not getting the clients and the customers that I want for my business, still I deeply and completely love, accept and honor myself. Even though I'm not getting the customers that I want, still I honor myself, still I respect myself, still I accept myself. I love myself even in this situation when I am not getting enough sales. I am not getting enough sales. I am not getting enough customers. That's really making me frustrated. That's really making me irritated. That's really making me worried about my business, whether my business will grow or not, whether the customers are liking my product or not. I have starting to doubt myself. I'm doubting myself. I'm doubting the products that I have created. I'm doubting my capacity to do business and to attract customers. I'm doubting all that. All this doubt, all this stress, all this frustration, all this irritation, all this frustration, all this anger, all this sadness, all this irritation, all this depression and all these negative emotions, all these negative thought patterns which are not allowing me to do my business successfully, to attract the customers that I want. All the past negative experiences that I got in my past, in my business. There were times in my life when I was not able to attract the customers. The business was not happening the way I want. I still anchor myself to that. But now I don't need to. I just need to be in the present moment. I just need to be in the present moment. I detach myself from all the negative memories, from all those negative emotions, from all those limiting beliefs which I've held in my mind, body, soul, and each and every cell of my body, in my subconscious. In each and every cell of my body, I have suppressed and stored these negative emotions, these beliefs, these negative memories, these stories of my past, of other people's past, of other people's experiences, which I have stored in my unconscious and in my conscious mind, in my mind, body. I am not allowing it to let it go. And they may be blocking my sales. All this fog of thoughts, all these negative emotions, all these limiting beliefs are blocking my sales. I allow myself to release it completely. All these negative emotions, all these negative memories, all these repetitive thought patterns of my past, I allow myself to release it completely. I don't need it anymore to do my business successfully. My business is increasing day by day. My business and my sales are increasing day by day. All the customers that I want are coming, are getting attracted towards my business. I am getting enough sales. All the customers are getting attracted towards me. My business is growing day by day. I am becoming a great leader, a great businessman. I delete, destroy, transcend and transmute all those energies from all the space and dimensions which are not allowing me to do my sales effectively. I release myself from it. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. I release myself from it now.